Ayan na, since the holiday vacation begin from school and ako'y mag-graduate. And today, we're going to Hong Kong. Biyahe na naman kami tayo. Oo naman, syempre. Gusto ko maging vlogger film. So, right now, it's early in the morning. 2:18 a.m. and papunta na tayo ng sa NAIA Terminal 3 and we're going to Hong Kong.
Mag-iikot tayo ng
Okay.
Buendia para makakita.
Sa Makati yun.
Dire-diretso lang yun, Buendia.
So it's early in the morning and ayun, welcome to Hong Kong. Sobrang, pero wag muna tayo maingay kasi maaga pa. So ayun, medyo short na lang ang biyahe from Manila to Hong Kong compared to our flight to Japan, and lalo na sa US mahaba. So ayun, malamig na dapat ang panahon kasi Christmas na. So we're on the way to the airport and we're going to Hong Kong. Not yet, I'm going to
T3,
So,
yes.
yeah.
Terminal 3.
No need to use Waze kasi alam na natin ang daanan. Baka mag-EDSA na lang tayo, no? Walang traffic, or Skyway. So, I wish na dapat Cathay Pacific tayo. Mas maganda kung Cathay Pacific ang sasakyan natin. Oo, kaya setback kasi mahal. Siyempre, we are taking, So, yes. See you soon, Hong Kong. And kung muna tong video na to, later na tayo mag-video ulit pag nasa airport na.